How to change avatar in VRchat. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you don't need the application, just log in into your preferred browser. Search for vrchat.com, and the first thing is to log in into your VRchat account. Once you have successfully logged in, now to change your VRchat avatar, click on the three horizontal line in your left-hand corner. From here, check out the avatars section. Now in here, you will see the featured avatars option. Go ahead and click on this plus sign icon to expand it. Here, you'll find various of avatar for you to choose. Go ahead and select on the preferred one and click on change into avatar. Once changed, it will notify you that the avatar has been changed. So if you go ahead and check it out, you can see that my new avatar is the one I recently chose. So this is how you can easily change your avatar. Mind it, such feature is not available for your VRchat application since it is still developing. So you will have to do all of these changes from a website. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for